Hi guys! Today we will learn how to make an essential oil. Okay, let's begin. For this project you only need three things: a glass container, fresh herbs, and olive oil. So follow the next step. Here you know that we already picked peppermint. Number 2, use your scissors to cut the peppermint into little pieces. And please don't use a knife. Number 3, place the pieces into the glass jar. Number 4, pour the olive oil into the jar until it is almost full. 5, make sure you place your jar in a dark place. Finally, we will wait for 6 weeks and voila, we are done. You must continue with our project. Don't forget that you already have the first slide of your presentation. So add the necessary slides and follow this guide to complete all your presentation. Bye bye, see you!